Every builder knows that construction is a long and expensive process with little to no room for mistakes. So, you need to take all the necessary measures possible to ensure a successful execution of your building plans and complete client satisfaction with the final property. And whether you are building a residential, commercial, industrial or hospitality-focused property, one of the most important aspects is to install the right plumbing and drainage system so that the building functions as it should. Even though plumbing is just a small part of the whole project and covers only 1% of the total project cost, it has been seen time and again that installing the wrong plumbing and drainage pipes can cause a wide range of problems, such as causing leakage, failure and bad odor issues in the building after handover, installation problems for your plumbing contractor, costly and frequent repairs, poor value for money, late and delayed delivery of products, and insufficient technical support from the manufacturer. Using inadequate plumbing products with all the aforementioned problems thus threatens to give rise to many larger issues during construction, such as delay in completion of the projects, cost overruns, and unnecessary stress for you. Not to mention the dissatisfaction it causes to the customers later on, as they have to frequently call you in for complaints. At the end, what is affected the most is your reputation. So, the need of the hour is for you to take a step towards the best plumbing partner in India, Ajay Pipes. Our mission is to enable you to provide premium building services in each one of your projects using our high-quality drainage and plumbing products that allow hassle-free installation, the lowest lifetime cost, and best value for money. You are bound to see results as soon as you start using our products. Your installation process will become over 16% faster and with 7% less breakages. All of our clients till now have experienced a 30% reduction in maintenance needs, 32% higher durability, and a 24% superior performance of the plumbing systems. The residents of the building also see 12.5% lower leakage cases, no bad odor, and a big 0% effect on the health of their drinking water. They even said that our systems are about 29% easier to clean and declog than most. And due to these reasons, Ajay is the first company in India to offer up to 10 years warranty, so that you can be sure about high product durability and long-term customer satisfaction. What makes Ajay Pipes unique is our list of services available for every builder, like multiple purchase options, multiple payment options, full technical support, and high-quality training support at site. All these are designed to make your work and project completion as easy and comfortable as possible. The best part is that you will find the complete range of plumbing and drainage pipes and fittings for all your customers' need in one single place, including new generation CPVC pipes and fittings for hot and cold water, UPVC pipes and fittings for cold water, SWR pipes and fittings for internal drainage, foam core pipes and fittings for underground drainage, and many other systems and accessories. In fact, in the last 56 years of being the oldest PVC pipe ISI license holder brand across India, we offer India's most certified 1750 plus products with 15 Indian and American certifications and approvals after having them successfully tested for 101 critical parameters. These products carry many unique features that give them enhanced durability, superior performance, and make them easier to install. With 5 state-of-the-art manufacturing plants located on 2 continents, 6 overseas offices, and 9 warehouses across India, we are able to manufacture and export our products to over 32 countries globally, while our customer service team of 132 plus field employees spread across India enables us to respond to requests within 4 hours of generation. Together, our team has completed plumbing and drainage installations in 1400 plus residential projects, 110,000 plus individual houses, 142 plus hotels, 63 plus hospitals, 210 plus industrial locations, and has trained over 53,000 professional plumbers so far. These projects include some of the biggest names in the industry like Tata Housing, Taj, Hilton, Adani Group, DLF and many more. Let us show you what our customers are saying about us. And now we invite you to get on board with the best plumbing and drainage brand in India. To know more about us, visit www.ajaypipes.com or get in touch with us today.